Beautiful. And then inhale and arch. Again, pain-free range of motion. Shoulders away from your ears. Good. And exhale and round. So this should always be comfortable, okay? Now you're going to come to neutral. This is great because you're wearing stripes. Come to neutral spinal alignment. So it's like when you're up against the perfect. Nope, nope. But now you're going to look straight ahead. So the crown of your head, where the sky was before, it's there. The back of your head, where the wall was before, it now is the sky. So here you are in good postural alignment with your abs lifted. What I want you to do is keep your shoulders away from your ears. Keep your hips perfectly steady. Keep your back just how it is. Put one leg out behind you. Not so easy, is it? Now reach the opposite arm out in front of you. But keep looking at the ground. Good. So there you are. So keep this steady. Don't let this hip roll like that. Don't let your back dish. Stay steady. Now switch arms and legs. Switch arms and legs. So if you do, nope. Yep. Good. And then switch. Switch. Very good. You feel the strength happening? This is what you need to do. Okay. Switch again. Now we can't quite see your arms, but we can see the angle of your head and neck, and that's important. Good. One tiny little adjustment. Continue. Keep switching. Is try to lift this up. Nope. Other way. Yes. Exactly. Very good. Oh, I should use you for the demo for that.
You listen.
And switch. Do these every day. Okay? Just how we learn them. Go ahead and put both hands and both knees down, right? Knees directly underneath the hips, and somehow your hands wound up a little bit in front. And then end with a cat-cow. So exhale, round your back, drop your head. Good. And then inhale and arch. Pain-free range of motion. Remember, so this is where you get to explore the movement of your spine. And then exhale and round. So you always want to make sure that you're doing it in a comfortable position. And then you can end in a neutral position. There you go. This lately has been called bird dog, but I've been doing it since it was called Contralateral Stabilization. So just make sure you have the arm positions and do this every day.